What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and I'm gonna show y'all how I did this cute half up, half down for my niece. I was just practicing, but we gonna get right into it, y'all. I used this 3 bundle pack thing. You can get it for like $20. It's really not that much, and it is synthetic. So I'm gonna show y'all at the end how I kind of layer it to give it more of like a human hair look. So when I do my braid down, I just use the end of the braid and I add it to the next one. And then when we get to the front, you want to straighten out the hair. Like, make sure it's straight. Take out your edges. Now with this hairstyle, I would normally use just like the Got To Be freeze spray in the yellow can. But I had got like this new edge control that I wanted to try, and I don't know why I did that, y'all. Like, every time I use the freeze spray, my ponytails and stuff like this come out so good. But I tried like this Bellottique stuff because a lot of people were saying that it was good, and it looked cute, you know, on the edges. Like, it gives it a sleek look, but it is not good for like holding your ponytail. So I definitely would not recommend that. And again, normally when I do this, I just use the freeze spray and I do like the edge control at the end. I don't know why I'm always trying different shit and then end up taking forever. Like, this ponytail at the top took me way longer than what it should have, you know, if I would have just used the freeze spray. So lesson learned, like I say, I'm not a professional hairstylist. I just be trying stuff. I have like a lot of nieces and nephews. I got a daughter, so I definitely, you know, like to try stuff instead of just sending them off and paying all that money, okay? And also, I normally do like the front at the end. Like, I would glue on the hair in the back first and then I'll do the front. But with this method, I had saw on YouTube, I seen somebody like do it this way, and I wanted to like show the part on the side. So I just did it a little bit different, and it's kind of better because you don't have all that hair in the back getting in your way when you're trying to do your ponytail. I used all 3 bundles. This is one pack, which is, I think, the 18-inch. And then I went to the 16 to like kind of give it more of like a layered look. But again, I am going to kind of razor cut it at the end to give it like a more human hair look. And y'all see I'm laying the tracks like straight instead of doing it kind of like a U shape. Now once I get to like the top part, I kind of start laying the tracks in like a U shape, so that way I can meet in the middle and it's not showing on the outside, if that makes sense. But y'all see how I just met it in the middle and it looks so full. And I also glued the tracks closer together so that it is fuller, you know, it just looks better with curly hair. So when I did the top ponytail, I did not use any bobby pins because every time I do that, it just be like too much. So I just used like the glue method, and I just glued it all the way around the braid, and I added like a piece of braiding hair to give it, you know, like that wrap look instead of just using hair from the tracks like I would normally do. So I just pinned that in and wrapped it around. I wanted the ponytail to sit kind of high, so it gives like a genie look. I could have made it like a little bit shorter, if that makes sense. But I love this because it just made the ponytail, like I said, sit higher. And it really gave like that genie look, which I love so much with curly hair. And I'm going to tell y'all right now, before y'all go to pulling and all of this, make sure the glue is dry, because you're going to have tracks just slipping each and every way, and ain't nobody trying to go through all that. So pull it apart, because when you wrap it around your ponytail, it gets like kind of stuck. Like, you have to separate the curls to give it a more fuller look. I did this before like doing my layers with this little cut thing. I can't think of the name right now. Don't even come for me, okay? But when I cut it with this, y'all, like, look how fuller it looks. Like, it doesn't look like synthetic hair, and it gives it more volume, more layers, even though it was already layered. And it also gives it like, I'm not gonna say like a wild look, But what's the word, like it just makes it look fuller, like it makes it look a lot better. So I did the back and I also did the top of the ponytail because I wanted it to kind of like flow. So this is how it came out, and she really liked it. I love it too. She looked in the mirror, she was like, oh, I was like, I know that's right, girl, that's so cute. But the next time I do this, I would definitely stick with my regular and do the freeze spray, because every time I step outside of that, she always give me a hard time, and I ain't got time for that. So let me know how y'all think I did, and hopefully this tutorial can help someone try a different way. Like I say, I never do it this way, but I wanted to try something different. And you always got to like experiment, but don't be planning nobody head, okay? Until next time, I'll catch y'all in the next video.